Hello everyone, it's Donna, and today I'm making a video on the Janome Skyline, and basically it's kind of like the favorite stitch. Uh, so if you like, right now I'm on a straight stitch, and if I open up this, I have some settings that I like and I normally keep. So, but what I'm going to do is hit the favorite stitch, and I'm going to go ahead and delete this one so that let me turn it off and on. If you see here now, the default length of my stitch is 2.4 millimeters. Say I am wanting to do paper piecing, so I can take this all the way down to, like, say 1.6, and I want to move my needle all the way over to the right. Okay, so I'll go into favorite stitch and say save. Okay, so that the next time, say, if you happen to do your paper piecing or just regular quilting or whatever, and you turn off your machine to come back for a few days. See if it does this. You will see upon coming back, because I have the favorite stitch turned on in the settings, that when it boots up, the needle is all the way over to the right and my stitch length is down to what I wanted it to be. Now if I turn this off again, and turn it back on, it will actually come up as the default. Another way to do it, say, let's go ahead and move this over again. We'll take this back down to 1.6, and we're going to turn it on. We're going to save it as a favorite stitch. So it's set like this now. Say you go to sew something slightly different than your piecing or whatever, you can always hit default here and it will take it back to the default setting. But when you turn it back on, then it's going to go back to what you had it set on your favorite stitches. So if you have a favorite setting that you like, you can set it on there and set it with your favorite stitch settings, and it'll save. Now you can do this here. I mean, you can do it on, if not all of the stitches, most of the stitches here. You can change the width of the zigzag that you want, the length of your stitches. You can do all kinds of things. If you have tension or pressure that you like for your presser foot, you can set it all with your favorite stitches, and it will keep them per different stitch that you have. So now that we kind of made a change here, if I go back to the one, it's going to take the default or the favorite stitch settings that I had. So just wanted to make sure that you are aware that you can set those type of items for the stitches and customize your machine the way you like to sew. So that's it for today. Just a very, very quick little video, and we will talk to you later. Bye.